Hi, this is a demonstration on how to use Hein Online for searching law reviews. Hein Online is a research database specializing in legal history with more than 2,000 law and law-related periodicals. It's a great tool to become familiar with if you'll be doing legal research. Today we'll be searching law reviews in Hein Online. A law review is basically the law equivalent of a scholarly journal article. They are normally published by a group of students through their law school or bar association. While student members of the law review usually publish shorter notes and comments, articles are normally written by law professors, judges, or legal practitioners. These articles usually express the thoughts of a specialist in the field, analyzing a current issue in law and citing current and past court cases. They often provide potential solutions to the problem. To access Hein Online, we'll begin at the library's website at library.louisville.edu. We can access Hein Online via the database's A through Z list, but in this case, we're going to navigate to the database through a research guide created specifically for your course. To get there, we'll select Subject Guides. Here, you'll see a list of guides organized by discipline. Let's go ahead and navigate to Political Science and click on it. On this page, we'll see recommended databases to our left and subject and course guides to our right. Let's go to the Political Science 313 guide. While we'll talk more about this research guide in class, you can see here there's a tab associated with case law and law reviews. Let's go ahead and access this. Here, you'll see a variety of sources related to case law and law reviews, but for now, let's go straight to Hein Online. We're now at the default homepage for Hein Online. You'll see that we have a list of collections on this page. Today, we'll focus on the first item in the list, the Law Journal. This collection houses the law reviews. We'll go ahead and select this to open up the collection. From the main page of the Law Journal library, we'll see a list of law journals that are organized A through Z. This is helpful if you want to focus on a specific law journal or notable ones like the University of Pennsylvania Law Review or the Stanford Law Review. Odds are, however, you'll want to locate a law review based on a legal issue of interest. We're going to go straight to the advanced search option because it will let us be more precise. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on Roe v. Wade. I'm also going to tell Hein that I want Roe v. Wade to show up in the title of the article. In the next box, I'll tell the database to pull back results that have civil rights somewhere in the text. Be sure to keep those in quotations. By putting a search phrase in quotation, it allows us to pull back results with only the exact phrase. As we continue down the advanced search page, you'll see here that we can limit to subject, specific journal titles, or date. For this tutorial, we're only going to focus on some options just below these limiters. First, we'll only be looking at law review articles, so we can go ahead and select Unchecked All and simply reselect the Articles option, which specifically pulls back law review articles. As well, we're going to go ahead and deselect Include Periodical Results from other Hein Online collections. At this point, we can now select Search. We are now at the search results page, and we can see that with our search terms, we obtained a fairly manageable number of results. For example, if we searched abortion instead of Roe v. Wade, we get more results. So just be aware that you can always backtrack, and if you have too many results, you can always add in other keywords or focus on a specific court case. To the left of our results, we also see a variety of limiters that can help us limit the number of results we have by things like date, topic, and more. There are a few things to point out about the search results we obtained. One thing to note is that our search results are sorted by relevance. We can also sort our results by time cited. While this can mean that your results at the top don't seem perfectly relevant, what's helpful about this feature is that you get to see the most cited articles of your search. Highly cited articles are important because they mean they have had more of an impact on the scholarly conversation. Let's take a look again at our search results and select an article. In this case, we'll select the second option. When we get to the article, you'll notice the first page of the article in front of you. To the left, you can see the titles of the other articles within that issue of the law review. Most importantly, you'll see that we can do a few things with this article based on the icons at the top. Two important options include downloading the PDF, as well as the magnifying glass icon that allows us to search for keywords within the article. This is helpful because we can search for specific words or phrases within an article to more narrowly identify portions of the article that interest us. This has been a brief introduction for how to search the law reviews in Hein Online. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact a librarian.